Welcome back. This is the Casio fx-115ES Plus second edition, and we're going to do logs. Okay, so let's say we had the log of 5, base 5, 25. How do we do this? Well, we take the log of 25 divided by the log of 5. It's a rule. And to remember it, you got a 25 on the top, log on the bottom. You can divide as long as you do the logs of each. So how do we do this? We press log 25, we close it, divided by the log of 5. We close that, press equals, and it gives us 2. All right. Then the log of base x 25 equal 2. So there's a rule. The log of a, b equals c. A to the c is equal to b. Very handy law. This one means that x squared equals 25. And then we take the square root on both sides, and we can figure out what the base is. And that's the square root of 25 gives you 5. All right. By the way, these are base 10s. Log base 10s. This is not a log base 10 because our calculator is a log base 10. So the log of base 10, x equals 2. This rule applies. 10 squared equals x. 10 squared. Well, we can say 10, and that's going to be this button here, because whatever x is, which is 10, and then the blank, right? You have a blank spot, and that's going to give you 2 equals 100. X equals 100. We'll do some antilogs. 10 to the 2.5. Same thing, 10. Then x to the blank, 2.5 equals. And that's going to give you 316,227. Same thing over here. If you look at the log button, there's an antilog, 10 blank. So if you go shift log, gives you 10, 2.5 equals same value. All right, how about 10 to the minus 1.5, right? We can go shift log, that gives you 10 to the blank. Then you do the plus or minus key, not the takeaway key, 1.5. You press equals 0.0316. And it keeps on going. How about 10 to the half? Well, shift, and then the log key, and you can see it's already displayed. Then we can use the fraction button. 1 on the fraction button, 2 equals 3.1622, and it keeps going. This, by the way, is the same thing as the square root of 10. This 2 is the index, here's that 1. So we can take the square root of 10, and you press equals, and it gives you the square root of 10. How do I get it to be that number? There's an S to D, D to S button, press that, and it gives you that. If you like this content, please subscribe, please tell your friends, please tell your teacher. And if you want to support this channel, please click on the thanks button and donate. All right, so thank you very much for that. Then here we have the log of 8. Again, this is base 10. So we do log 8. You can close it if you like, equals, and that gives you 0.90308. What about the log of 8 squared? That's easy. Log 8, and then here we have a square button. We can close it, equals, gives you 1.806. Keeps going. Now, there's a rule that says you can bring the 2 down. 2 log of 8. Can you do that? Sure. 2 log 8 equals. Gives the same answer. The log is automatically times with the 2, or the 2 times the log. All right. So how about the natural log of 8? You go to the natural log, which is right here, right there. You type in 8 equals 2.0794, and it keeps going. By the way, this natural log is the log of base e, 8, which gives you that answer. By the way, if this is going a little too fast, you can always slow it down, all right, and watch it again, and you'll get it. So what is e? If you go over here with a natural log, there's an e to the blank. Shift natural log, you can see it here. If I type in a 1, that's going to give you 2.71828, and keeps on going. That number is used for some calculations. So e to the minus 1.8, shift log, negative, with the plus or minus key, 1.8 equals 0.16529. Keeps going. Perfect. Then the natural log of x equals 3. Oh boy. This is the natural log, which is the log base e, x equals 3. This rule right here says e to the third equals x, e to the third equals x. What's e to the third? Shift log 3 equals x equals 20.0855, right? Which is the answer. So if we took the natural log of 20.0855, and all that number should give you 3. So how do we do that? So if we take the natural log of the answer, so where is the, look, answer, previous answer, close it, equals 3. That's right. Again, if it's going too fast, just pause it, rewind it. These things will get naturally better for you, but you gotta give it time. It's like riding a bike. When you started riding a bike, you didn't know you had to practice. It's all about practicing your mind. Again, please share it with your teachers. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends. If you have any comments, put them in the section below. I hope you have a great semester. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.